No, she did not.
What happens when terrible mothers think they're above the law?
Eric Connor said that?
Yes.
Eric Connor said that? Yes.
You can get in trouble for that, but they can't when you go there.
Can I take mine?
What's up?
He's by himself.
Well, here are 6 incidents of bad moms who have forsaken even their basic duties. On October 27, 2022, Mesa police officers flagged a suspected drunk driver who had allegedly left her baby at home alone. As she stepped out of her vehicle with her hands up, here's how the situation unfolded.
Driver, step out of the vehicle with your hands in the air. Put them on your head. Stand up. Face away from us. Face away. Walk back towards the sound of our voice. Keep your hands on your head at all times. Walk back.
Hey, Twig.
Backwards. Walk backwards.
Twig, you guys come over here, help us with the IA team.
Stop right there.
Claire Meacham was observed, swerving and drifting dangerously. A concerned driver even reported that she had momentarily passed out, disrupting traffic. This dangerous behavior prompted police intervention.
How much alcohol have you had to drink today, Claire?
I don't even know what today is.
Okay. Do you know how much alcohol it is? You know how much alcohol you had today?
I drank a buzz ball.
A buzz ball. Okay, how many buzz balls did you have? When did you have the buzz ball? Okay, about how long ago?
Oh, what time is it right now?
What time do you think it is right now?
I think it's like 2 p.m.
Okay, so when did you have it?
12.
12? Okay. All right. So I'll explain all of that to you, okay? But what I'm going to have you do is just turn around and face the vehicle for me, okay? I'm going to take these handcuffs off, okay?
During the investigation, the 23-year-old suspect admitted to drinking a buzz ball and displayed clear signs of anxiety and confusion.
Did you get in a crash or anything?
Can you put your hand on your head, please? There you go.
Okay, Claire, you can turn around for me.
Someone? There's someone.
Do you have a child?
Do I have a kid?
Yeah, do you have a kid? Okay, where's your kid right
My
now?
kid's at my house.
Your kid's at your house? Where do you live?
Upon the suspect's confession of leaving her child unattended, officers quickly coordinated to ensure the child's safety.
Just relax, okay?
Someone.
Who's with your child right now?
Friend.
A friend?
Yeah,
The
but
baby's safe.
they told her I was coming home.
All right, that's all right.
Like I said, as far as we don't know if anybody's been injured or anything like that,
Yeah,
okay?
her.
So you're okay.
I was just going home.
I know, I understand.
Initially, Meacham told officers her baby was safe with a friend, but her responses grew confusing and disjointed after the field sobriety tests.
Hang on. I'm just going to have you stand like that, okay? So left foot on the line, then right foot in front of it and touch heel to toe, okay?
Heel to toe.
Yep. Are you able to stand like that for me?
Heel to toe.
Hang on. Don't go anywhere. I just need you to stand like that, okay? With each step, you'll make sure your heel touches your toe. You'll watch your feet at all times. Count your steps out loud. Don't stop once you've started, okay?
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Why are there so many cops? They someone?
Not that I'm aware of,
Why are there so many cops?
because you were on the city streets and then on the freeway, and we've been trying to catch up to you, okay? So I'll explain that to you in a few minutes, okay? You know what? Just stop right there. Just stand right there, okay?
I can do it. I can do it.
Throughout her test, officers noted Meacham's distraught and disoriented behavior. The suspect continued to become more emotional.
What I'm going to ask for you to do right now is I'm going to ask if you'll give me a breath sample. Are you willing to do that? Okay. Put your lips around this straw and blow out for me. Keep blowing, keep blowing. Okay, thank you. Just stand right here, don't go anywhere.
I think it's going to blow something really bad.
Arizona's zero-tolerance DUI laws classify a BAC of 0.2% or higher as super extreme DUI, mandating at least 45 days in jail and a $3,240 fine, plus additional fees and a 90-day license suspension. With Meacham's BAC at 0.23, the severe consequences were imminent.
Can I take mine?
What's up?
Okay, so
My baby has one with him.
Claire, you are under arrest. I'll be putting
He's by himself. Please don't get my baby.
You just said your friend was with her.
No. Please get my baby. Please, can I just call my mom? Please get him. Please get him. Please get him.
Where
Missy.
Please. No.
Just
I
relax.
want my baby to have someone with him.
Yeah.
I love him so much. I hate myself so much.
Meanwhile, Mesa police officers visited Meacham's house to ensure the baby's welfare.
They're on the off-ramp.
Hi, this is Officer Biascocheo at the Mesa Police Department.
Yes?
Are you inside? Are you?
I am there right now. From the house.
Yeah, can you open the door?
Is there something going on?
Yes.
I'm at a different residence.
Where's the child?
I will come home right now, okay?
How far are you?
I'm the grandma.
But how far are you?
10 minutes away.
Okay.
I'm at Viewpoint. I'm at the 202 in University.
Okay, you have a key to get in?
Yes, I do.
Okay, all right. If you can hurry, please.
Yes.
I hear him.
Yeah. He's in there.
Yeah.
You all right, buddy?
Think we can wait 10 minutes? I heard him. That's good enough for me.
Rather than waiting an additional 10 minutes, police officers took immediate action to rescue the baby.
Mesa Police! Mesa Police Department! Anybody in here? Hey man, we're going into the residence, so just be aware we're gonna be in. Yeah, we got a key.
There's a big dog up there.
Hi. Hi, Papa. Hi. How you doing? You okay? Hi. Clear the house. I'll stay with him.
Good baby.
Yeah. Get the car seat. And see if you can get a diaper bag or something.
Officers took turns caring for the child as they awaited his grandmother's arrival, ensuring all his immediate needs were met.
Child was confirmed Buffalo.
Copy. Whoever's primary, we're going to have to charges for that, and everybody yes.
Grandma's going to be here in 10 minutes. She was at the 202 in University, so
Yeah, got some wipes and maybe.
I think we just hang out in here.
Also,
Coordinating with the Department of Child Safety, the Mesa Police Department helped the grandmother get custody of the child while the suspect was incarcerated.
We just secured a baby and we're feeding it right now. And we have him in his car seat and we're getting a diaper bag ready just in case, and Grandma should be here soon.
What's up, buddy? Oh yeah, that's good stuff. That's the good stuff. You're like, thanks, man. I was overdue for some lunch.
Court records indicate that Claire Meacham lived alone with her 5-month-old son, though her mother had access to her home. In a related report, she admitted to failing to arrange for friends, relatives, or her mother to care for her baby while she was out. Claire Meacham was arrested for DUI and also faced additional charges. Do you think the charges against Meacham were too light? Were the courts too lenient? Share your thoughts in the comments below. On July 18th, 2023, the Clyde Police Department responded to a call about some children in Ohio asking for help to remove their disruptive mother. Watch how officers handled this unusual situation.
I just want the best for her. Let me get my dogs.
Did she come out? No, she's right there. Because, you know, Michelle can come over here. Right. Well, she might. Looks like she's packing up her cigarette.
As the investigation unfolded, officers found that there was a protection order against the mother, Michelle, meant to protect her children.
it appears the protected person is a Patricia Holsinger.
That was a while ago.
Can we go in there and talk with her? Alright, Michelle, they want you to leave for the night.
Hold on, I'll call you back.
Michelle, what are we doing?
Why do you gotta wait for me?
Because I know you. I've dealt with you for the last 12 years of my life. And you don't leave.
Why the f do I have to?
So, leave. They don't want you here.
That's fine, I'm trying to f***ing leave anyway.
You're messing with the trash. You're
Who
not
gives
doing
a
anything.
f***?
Oh my god, is Carmen still in this building?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Dog.
Upon discovering the active protection order against the mother, officers encouraged her to leave voluntarily. However, she stood her ground and refused to leave.
You want to cuff him?
No.
No,
Get you. Stop. What are you doing? Get out.
How you're acting. We like you here.
Why, is Jason at my house?
Jason stays at your house. He should have left today.
So what the is your two problem? I know he's a cockfight. We're playing a game here. Who wants be the biggest cockfight?
I told you to stop being a dick to him.
No.
Because he was going to call.
Who's going to win? But
and that's why you can't.
He's a cop calling, and you did.
I did not call. They have it on record. I did not call. I just want you to stop acting like that. Calm down, dude.
What are we doing?
No, she's not throwing you breaking. Shut up.
Stop talking to your daughter like that. Get out.
You should have heard how the she's talking to me like
I don't give a shit. You raised her. This is on you.
Who the f do you think you are to talk to me like that?
Leave
you talk to anybody like that for in that matter, bud.
You have work tomorrow.
What's this one?
The conflict between the mother and her daughter escalated. Despite officers' attempts to mediate, the mother remained confrontational and uncooperative.
Bro, what are you doing?
I'm pulling my pants up.
You can get in trouble for that, dude.
But they can't when you go there. Seriously? Like what the f? I was in the camera, huh? Now that one was on purpose. Suck my
You don't have one.
Can I, like, wash off my hands? Or the dog's in the cage? I have not been able to walk in the f***ing door, dude. That's
wash
fine.
your hands.
I seriously was trying to leave any f***ing way.
Then let's go.
You didn't have to, but you caused an argument with Ben.
You want to all go to jail?
I'm not doing anything. How would I go
what
to
the
jail?
What am I doing with trying to function?
If that touched me, I would have been super mad.
Are we done?
That's not why. I don't know why he's mad at me. That's what I'm saying.
Because
why is he treating me like that?
As the argument between mother and daughter continued, officers urged Michelle to leave to prevent further conflict.
Are you treating me like that?
I'm not.
Most of all, why the f*** is this treating me like that?
Come on, let's go. We're going. Let's go. Huh?
I don't want to press charges. It's just that was very disrespectful.
Let's go. You're being asked to leave.
You can't take people's stuff.
I can't even take my own stuff.
Come on.
He took my stuff first. That's
I don't want
he took my
physically
stuff
touch
first.
you.
They're asking you to leave. Please leave.
Physically touch, because I know how you act.
Yeah, because right now it'll be fine.
Because she would freak the out. I'm not doing nothing wrong. Just leave for a little while.
Sensing the mother's anger and unruly behavior as a delaying tactic, the officer ordered her to leave the house immediately.
Let's go.
I've not been able to have a f***ing drink.
Get your bag.
I can't even walk.
Get your stuff.
That's what I'm trying to do. Shut your mouth, please.
Then pick it up.
With everything.
Then pick it up.
I understand you do stuff at your own pace.
Chloe?
Okay. Listen, you just gotta go for a while.
I should be doing something right now.
So you don't.
By finding my paper that I'm missing.
They're asking you to leave.
So why do I need to leave?
Because you don't live here.
Yes, I do.
Ignoring her excuses, the officers repeated their warning.
Does she live here?
She don't live here. She don't pay rent here. She comes here because we're her family. But
Does she stay here? Like, from my understanding, she lives on Ames Street.
yeah.
Okay. You guys don't want her here, correct?
Not right now.
You don't want her here.
This is your last chance.
Okay.
Get your stuff and you gotta leave.
Here to here.
You need to get your stuff and you need to get your stuff and you need to leave.
Get your stuff right now, or you're going to be arrested for trespassing.
Why am I trespassing?
Get your stuff.
She just said I f***ing lived here.
No, she did not.
She
Get your
said
stuff.
I don't
Let's
live
go.
here.
You don't live here, so let's get
Yes,
your
the
stuff.
f*** I do.
Let's get your stuff. What's all yours? Book bag? Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Karma. Karma.
What are you calling?
I'm getting my stuff and leaving, like you were telling me.
There's
Where
your
am
stuff.
I going?
Let's go.
Jesus.
Back to your house.
Dude.
Get your phone. Get your smokes. Michelle, get your stuff. Let's go.
In defiance, she continued to ignore them. However, the situation soon turned against her.
Get your stuff. Let's go. Michelle, what are you doing?
Getting my stuff
You can-
because I live here.
You can come back tomorrow with that stuff.
No, maybe I can't.
What are you doing? All right.
Ow! Dude, get the f off my arm right now!
Stop.
Motherfucker, now! Now!
Stop.
Are you gonna not twist me? That could have broke my arm, dude!
She has a shoulder problem.
Really, bro?
arms out.
What the?
Give us your arms, it's
I don't
fine.
know. Dude, that was my left arm, wasn't it? I don't even know. Why does my left arm hurt?
Don't hurt her.
What?
Seeing her mother in handcuffs, Chloe had a change of heart and pleaded on her behalf.
Take your arms from underneath you. What are you doing? Let me have your arm.
No, please don't arrest her, please. I have to put her dog down.
Listen to me. We are past that, Chloe.
Chloe,
To the
please.
station. Show one female in custody.
Chloe. Chloe.
I can't see.
I put your dog in the... Please make sure she's out to see your dog. I have to put her down.
Listen,
Very soon, please.
I understand that.
Please.
But she has decided this.
She's 9 years
Right.
old.
Help! Pop it back in place, please. Let's do this.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Dude.
Michelle. Stand up.
Now that is ridiculous. When her arms are behind her back, it hurts her worse. She can't move that.
Chloe,
Ow,
listen
dude.
to me. We gave her
I know.
plenty of opportunities. She wanted to then, as soon as I went to go hands-on to arrest her, she wants to resist.
Right, bro, exactly.
Come on.
Exactly.
The officers stood firm and ordered Michelle to cooperate, which proved difficult.
This is what we're doing, Hosser. Come here.
So I have to
Hosser,
do-
grab an ankle. Let's go.
Please don't hurt her. Please don't.
That feels better, Chloe.
She wants to act like
Mom,
this.
get up. You're going to look stupid in
Wanna
front of
get
my
the door?
neighbors.
Dude, I'm trying to do something, Chloe. Just watch the f*** out.
I'm not dealing with this.
Don't do that. Don't do that. My neighbors. My neighbors.
Hurt.
Okay, well, is she gonna walk?
Stand up. Don't grab it.
Sorry, that
Stand
was
up.
the wrong one.
Put her on her feet. Put her on her feet.
No, she's not gonna walk, Chloe.
Ah, you motherfucker.
Just have Chief just stand up.
Ah!
We're giving you a chance to
Get
stand
the
up. We're gonna
I
take
know
to the
you
ground.
both
don't-
are.
You need to chill out. You're gonna go to the ground.
Are you gonna walk?
Don't hurt your...
Let's walk.
Whoa, you're making me dizzy.
What? You had an opportunity to walk, and you don't want to walk. So I'm gonna carry you. Are you gonna stand up?
People grabbing.
Chloe, I understand that, but what are we supposed to do?
I understand.
Even with her daughter's help, the mother remained uncooperative and continued to taunt the officers.
You're busting my wrist up.
Stop. Are you gonna stand up?
I want to stand up.
Okay.
Ow!
So, what are you doing?
They gave you...
You are not even standing, Michelle. Are you gonna stand?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's stand up. We're gonna help you stand up, okay?
Yeah. Give me another.
Her disobedience tested the officers' patience as they managed the situation.
Are you gonna talk or no? Do you want to stand up, Michelle?
I don't know. Yeah. Dude.
What?
Yeah, jerk.
Michelle, you jerked your own arm. Stop. We're gonna stand you up, Michelle. Put your legs underneath you. Stop dropping.
Stop dropping.
Get in the car.
Get in the car. Come on.
Dude, can you get the off?
No, we cannot. We have to put you in the car.
You don't gotta break my bones by doing it. I thought we went over this, dude. Why are you hurting me? I'm not
Because we are asking you to get in the car, Michelle.
Get in the car.
because I'm a dead.
Get in
Look
the
at
car.
this though. I'm not trying
Stop.
to. No, I'm that fucking tensed.
Get in the car.
Given the opportunities to leave peacefully, her disregard for police instructions is what led to her current situation.
I'm not resisting at all.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, now just I was.
Put your foot
You guys
in
are
the car.
busting my bones up.
Put your foot in the car.
From the get-go.
Put your foot
No,
in
we're
the
not,
What the
Michelle.
was that?
Get your foot in.
If they shut the door on your foot, that's your own fault.
I don't care.
What is that? Hers?
Phone and her glasses.
Chloe and the officer talked about her mother's legal situation, and he accepted her apologies, reassuring her they weren't necessary.
So here's the issue, right?
2119.
I asked her how many times to leave.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
I go to put my hand on her,
She's just an
and she wants to pull away, and then that's when she's starting everything. She wants to eat a tangerine or an orange or whatever the
She
so.
was throwing oranges earlier.
Yep. So she wants to continue to play games. As you saw, we tried to have her stand. She doesn't want to stand. When she does stand,
She
she
should've
wants
just
to go
listened.
weak-legged or whatever.
Just be careful, like that shoulder. Like she's just.
100% understand you. The issue is that when she is now resisting us, essentially fighting with us,
I know.
sometimes stuff goes out the window. You know, she's making her shoulder worse for herself than what we're doing. She should be out, I'm assuming, tomorrow or the next day.
Hopefully she's sober when she gets out.
The mother, Michelle, was arrested and charged for assaulting a police officer, resisting arrest, and trespassing. What's your take on how the police officers managed the situation? Do you think they were too lenient or too harsh with the suspect? Share your thoughts and leave us a comment. On October 23, 2019, police officers responded to a family dispute from a caller named Eric. They arrived to find an agitated woman, later identified as Cristy, who demanded they leave and questioned the legality of their presence.
Well, what's up? Well, what are they here for? I have no idea. Ma'am. What's up? Step outside. Y'all need to step outside. Y'all didn't even ask to come in here. Really? No, Mom, get him out of this house.
Ma'am, hold on.
No. Get him out!
Ma'am, you need to calm down. Sit down, okay? Calm down and sit down, okay? We were called.
Get out of my face! Get him out of my face!
Step outside.
No, get out of my face!
Cristy, obviously there's something wrong.
I want you out of my house! Get him out! Get him out! Because of the police! Get him out! Get him out!
Somebody said somebody was here breaking stuff.
Get him out! Cristy, get him out! This is your house! Get out! You didn't let them in here! You have a wrestler? You cannot be here!
Straight back. We were called here.
Okay, for what? I don't want
Okay. Is there an Eric? Is there an Eric or an Erica?
Eric is my son.
Okay.
Eric.
Okay.
Okay, why?
How old is Eric?
It doesn't matter. Why are you questioning me? I'm not in the mood for question.
Cristy,
I don't want to hear nothing.
I'm going to answer this, okay?
I don't want to hear nothing. If I'm not under arrest, I have nothing to say. Just
called
leave
us
me
and
alone.
said that
I don't
you
care.
were throwing things and breaking things.
To get a better picture of the situation, the officers continued their investigation despite the woman's resistance. They reminded her it was their duty to respond to domestic emergencies.
Eric called and said that?
Yes.
Eric called and said that?
Sit
So
down
let's
now.
see.
Sit down.
All right, just go.
Talk to me.
I don't want to talk. I don't want to
find out why somebody is so scared that you're breaking things.
That's what Eric said.
That they feel unsafe. Okay?
Okay, nobody asked you to come in here. Nobody was breaking things. Eric? Internally.
Obviously, there's an issue here, okay?
Get him out here now.
How old is your son?
I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk.
Well, we're beyond that right now, okay?
Okay, well, we're beyond that. I have nothing to say.
Obviously, somebody felt unsafe here to the point
Nobody
that
feels unsafe here. So you're just going to let all these people in here? He won't let me get Eric. He's talking to Eric. He won't let me get Eric.
Whose home is this?
My mom's home.
It's your mom's home.
She lives in the back. And
Okay.
I live in the front, and she is here with me.
Okay. Who all lives here? I understand it's your mom's house, but who all lives here permanently?
Eric and the two boys. And Nene and her and I.
Okay, so several people live here. So you are
I
permanent
don't want to
resident here.
talk. I'm not talking. I have nothing to say to you guys.
Somebody called us.
Okay, I don't really care.
Ignoring her hostility, the officers emphasized they were there to help de-escalate the situation.
You were having some type of episode where you were throwing things, they felt unsafe.
Oh, is that what they said?
And you had been asked to leave.
Oh, really? By who?
That's what I'm trying to
Really?
figure
By
out.
who? Who was I asked to leave by?
I would love to find
I don't
out.
want
That's
to
why
talk.
I've asked you.
I don't want to talk. There's nothing to say.
So when I find out that
Figure
you're a
that
permanent
one
resident
out.
here, then I can tell that person that if they ask you to
Okay,
leave.
I don't want to talk, ma'am. I have nothing to say.
And-
Who asked me to leave? They need to come ask me to leave.
And-
So I have nothing to say.
Well, that's
Nothing
fine.
at all.
But while I'm here conducting my investigation,
There is no investigation to conduct, ma'am.
there is.
Really not.
Obviously, there's something
Figure out who
going on.
called.
That's what we're trying to do.
Figure it out who called.
That's what
I
I'm
have
trying
nothing
to
to
do.
say. I have nothing to say.
Can I talk?
Not really, because I have nothing to say.
You don't have to say anything. This is the best part about
Okay.
it. You don't have to say anything.
Okay,
You
go
can
ahead.
just listen right now.
Okay, go ahead.
This could go a lot easier and a lot smoother if you would just tell us what happened.
There's
I'm not
nothing to
trying
save.
save it.
There's other people at Duval that need to be worried about. I just don't have nothing
We got
to
other
say.
officers on them.
Okay.
You could get out of your house a lot quicker and a lot out of your hair.
I
a lot
didn't even
quicker.
let you in this house.
A woman out there opened the door and said, yes,
Okay.
please come in.
My mom never once said that, and that is on your video, cameraman. She never once said, please come in. You guys came in uninvited.
Sensing the officers were unaffected by her outbursts, Cristy blamed family members, including her son, for their predicament.
Your son is very upset right now.
My son is very upset. Okay.
Yes, he's very upset. And right now, he called because he was scared.
My son called?
Yes.
He called because I said I was going to call.
Right.
So why are you crying?
I don't want to talk about it. It's between me and my son. That's it. I don't want to talk about it. So stop asking. I'm not saying. Do what you got to do, and that's it.
Okay, well, just so you know, Cristy,
Every family fights. Every family argues.
I don't want to talk.
Every mom yells at her kid, and kids always yell back. And that's no big deal. It happens. Every family goes through that. But once things start breaking and you have broken glass in an area where everybody's living, animals are walking, your children the glass in the mirror is still freshly
that
there.
wasn't broken right now.
If this was broken weeks ago, somebody probably would have cleaned up the glass
And with
already.
you don't understand what happened.
And I would love to if you would just talk
It's
to
my
me.
son. Okay, that's it.
We're not here because anybody's in trouble. We're here to help you guys get through
I don't want to talk about
whatever it is that you guys are fighting about. We're not here to take anybody to jail. We're not here to get anybody in trouble.
What am I going to go to jail for?
No, I'm just saying. We're not
What
here
am I
because
gonna go
somebody's
to
in trouble.
jail
We're here
for?
because somebody was scared and called us, and we're
Okay,
here to
what
try
am
to
I
help
going
you
to go
guys
to
get
jail
through
for?
this.
Nothing.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. You're not in trouble. We're here to help you guys.
It proved difficult for the officers to control the situation as the mother repeatedly invoked the Fifth Amendment.
Whatever I tell you is not going to change anything.
Okay.
So
What
stop
needs to be
asking
changed?
me what's going to
needs to be
happen.
changed?
So Eric didn't
tell him he was scared for
Okay.
his life.
But what Eric said.
He was scared that you were breaking things, but he wasn't scared for his life.
And then what else? What else was said, ma'am? What else was said? Show me. Go ahead. What
Somebody
else was
called
said?
us and said you were breaking things here.
No, you're not going to say what you just told me? That they were in danger? And everything else?
That they were scared because you were breaking stuff.
When,
Mom,
when things are
We're
broken,
not gonna play this
when there's
game.
broken glass,
I'm
it
not gonna
threatens
get what you
people's
need to
safety.
start.
Okay.
It's on her video, just like you said.
When there's broken glass, it threatens people's
Mom,
safety.
please, get them.
But I'm going to pick up the glass, so there's not going to be no safety problems. So can you please leave with
I'm
me?
not going anywhere. If anybody has to go, it's these 3 officers. Mom, whatever they say is not true. They all twist their words, and it's always lies. She just told me a whole thing. He's going to come in and tell me. He's going to take you outside just to tell you, to pull you over. Now, how are you going to tell me something and he's going to come in and say you didn't tell me?
What are you afraid of is going to
told
happen?
him nothing. I'm not afraid of anything.
Ironically, she blamed the police presence for her anxiety and hostility. Meanwhile, Eric provided a detailed account of what happened before the officers arrived.
So what's going on?
Her mother in the back
Right.
came in here, supposedly talking.
I saw her sitting in the backyard back there. Your mom.
Okay, so there's no problems. We're going to handle it internally.
Okay.
Yes, Eric?
No.
Yes.
Okay, so did you call then? Okay, so what happened, Eric? It's all right. It's all right. Relax, brother. Relax. We'll take care of it. All right.
She's always breaking stuff in here, causing problems for the family.
Okay.
And nobody in this house likes her.
Does she live here?
Yeah,
She does? Okay. So what happened?
She came here because she drives her car because she lets her and she's like really old.
Okay.
And she's like basically destroyed that car.
Okay.
And she was talking and then she was like, she got mad.
She came in here?
Yeah, because this is her house.
Okay. Grandma outside came in here and she was talking to who? Like saying stuff to you guys?
No, not us.
Okay.
We're sitting here, her.
Okay.
And then she was like, get her out of here, I'm going to start breaking everything in this house. And she started breaking stuff.
Concerned about Eric's welfare, the officer listened to his account. However, his aunt's intervention did not sit well with the officer.
What did she break?
She broke the mirror out there.
Okay.
Like the door frame.
So your mom wanted your great-grandmother out of the house? And she said if she doesn't get out of the house, I'm going to start breaking things, and your mom started breaking things?
Yeah.
Okay.
She got by the door, and so I tried to push her out. Cause,
your mom?
Yeah, I don't want her breaking stuff. And then she was like, oh, I'm calling the police and put charges on you. I was like, alright, call them. She always said she's going to call the police, but she don't. And I was like, tired of this, so I called the police myself.
Yeah. We're worried and scared because she's going crazy breaking stuff. Yeah. You're trying to get her outside the house, and then did she leave or did she stay or?
She stayed.
And then you just came in here and called?
Yeah, I came back here and called.
Okay.
And you see how she acted when you guys came in.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
You called, okay? So this is.
Eric, you told him you were scared for your life?
He didn't say that.
No, I'm asking him. Did you say that?
No.
Well, how come she's telling your mom that? What did you say?
He called because he was scared because she was breaking things. That's what made him call. Okay, she was.
But you're not scared for your life, right?
Well, if that gets her removed, then yeah.
If what?
If that gets her removed from this house, then yeah.
Eric, stop looking for problems. Shut up and don't say nothing that you're going to regret later.
If that takes her away, then yes, I'm scared for my life.
Okay. So what?
While listening to Eric, the officer pieced together why he called for help.
Let me talk to him alone for a second, please.
You want me to go?
Yes. Yeah, if you don't. What's going on with your mom? Does she act like this all the time?
No, she gets like crazy for no reason.
Okay. Obviously, she broke the mirror. What else did she break in there?
If you see the door frame over there, that's broken. And then she was in the kitchen. I heard like some glass slam.
Yeah, there's broken glasses, like mugs and stuff in the kitchen on the floor. When she was breaking things, she didn't push you or hit you, anything like that? Or did she make any threats to you?
Yeah.
What did she say to you
She was like, oh, I'm gonna beat you like a man. I don't care. And then like.
So she's making threats to you, saying she was gonna beat you if you did what, like, because you were trying to get her out of the house or get her to calm down. And she said, I'll break your jaw.
Yeah, and I'll beat you. I'm gonna beat you like a man. She literally, was sitting right here. And she kept coming to the door saying, oh, I'm gonna beat you like a man, beat you like a man. And she's mad because I told my brother the truth. He does not like her. And my other little brother does not like her.
Okay, you're all three her kids. Where's your other little brother? School, okay. Is that why you called? Because you figured that's what she was probably going to do? Or
yeah, because then if I hit her, I get in trouble too. So I'm not going to touch her.
Right. Like I said, you did the right thing. I just want to make sure that we got that I got the complete story, okay? I'll be right back. Stand up.
After hearing his statement, the officers arrested his mother for assault. Despite her protests, she was taken into custody.
Come on, you're going to jail.
What am I going to jail
Stand
for?
up.
What am I going to jail for?
On your back.
What am I going to jail for?
Don't resist or it'll be worse.
What am I going to jail for?
Domestic.
How is it domestic? I didn't put my hands on anybody.
You know what assault is?
Assault?
Yeah. You know what assault is?
What is it?
Placing somebody in fear because of your actions.
My actions? Because are you serious? I didn't put. What are my actions?
We'll explain it all to you when we get outside.
So now can you explain to me?
Yes, I'm going to explain to you when we get in the car.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
All right, so listen. Your son called, okay, because apparently there was a big argument between you and, is it your grandmother? It was my decision.
Suddenly, the aunt intervened, but the officer warned her not to interfere with the police process.
We have probable cause for domestic assault. And listen, I'm not going to explain anything else to you, okay, because you're not directly involved in this, okay?
No, I'm not.
You already went in there and tried to mess up our investigation.
Just let him talk
by
to
telling
me.
him not to talk to me, okay? And you had no right to do that.
To talk to you.
So anyway, according to your son, okay, you guys got a big fight. Something about the car was broke or something, right?
Yes.
Okay. He comes out because you're screaming and yelling.
Sir, he spit in my face, and I lost it. Instead of putting my hands on him, I threw something.
Okay.
That's why.
So this is the first time you said that?
That's why.
Okay.
That's why I lost it. Instead of putting my hands on him, I threw something I didn't mean to. And I told him I was going to call the police. I cannot put my hands on him. He'll probably overpower me. That's the reason why.
Well,
but there's nothing that you guys can do about that.
He called the police, okay, and because he was afraid, okay, and you made threats to him, and that's why he called. Okay, well, I'm just telling you, these are his statements, and we weren't here. We have to go based on what we have.
I didn't make no threats. That's what happened.
You're going to have to go out to the jail, okay? We're going to charge you with domestic assault.
Why a
okay?
domestic assault?
Because he's your son. You guys live together.
I didn't hit anybody.
Right. Assault is not hitting. Assault is making threats or placing somebody in fear.
I didn't place no threats, sir.
Okay. That's what court is for. That's what you're going to have to explain that to the judge.
Can you please not take me to jail? I'll leave the house.
No.
That would...
I don't think we have a choice at this point.
The suspect, Cristy, was detained and charged with assault. Do you think Eric's actions against his mother were warranted? Did the police do the right thing by arresting and charging the mother for assault? We'd like to hear your thoughts. Drop a note in our comments section. On January 19th, 2024, Joliet police received a distressing call about a car parked at a local Target. 2 children were abandoned inside, with the windows rolled down, exposing them to freezing temperatures. Here's how the officers responded.
She's right here. She doesn't realize. Put the stuff in the trunk and still doesn't realize. Which one is it? This red maroon car right here. The one that's walking up to this red car right here. What's your name? Got some ID on you, hon?
I do.
Are you from around here?
I just moved here not too long ago.
You're from Sherman, Texas?
I'm from here, but I just moved back here.
Okay. You looking for your little ones?
Yeah.
I've got them.
Okay.
You can't leave your kids in the car like that in the state of Illinois, all right?
I gotcha. I'm so sorry.
Vehicle's off, all right?
Okay.
It's 9 degrees outside. Your 2-year-old sitting in the front seat with the window completely down.
Oh my gosh.
Your little boy, the 8-year-old, I didn't even realize was in the car until I made a second approach up to the vehicle because he was hiding in the back seat, probably scared.
I'm so sorry.
But to be completely honest with you, no matter what, some sort of law enforcement action is going to be taken, okay? All right.
I'm so sorry.
All right.
After the officers explained the legal implications of her actions, the mother admitted her mistakes and cooperated fully.
I was literally in here to get some stuff for them. They were asleep when I went in. I really wasn't expecting it to take so long.
Okay. Can you go check on car seats for me, please?
They don't have any inside.
Do you have car seats for both your kiddos?
I have one for the oldest one, but I guess they laws were different in Texas.
Yeah, so you need one for him, and then you also need one for the little.
Yeah, I don't have one for him as of, like I said, we just moved here. I'm here behind a domestic violence situation, so he pretty much just came with what we have.
How many?
Yeah, I was able to get some items for my youngest, because like I said, I don't have anything, and I just moved it with a lot of things, but like I said, I was not keeping track of time as I should have.
And the weather. Yeah. These little ones can't be out in this weather. You're little.
Right, yeah.
Something terrible could have happened in these
yes,
temperatures.
you are so right.
All right, so...
According to registered nurse Sharon Rengers, just like a child's body can heat to a deadly temperature in a matter of minutes, the reverse effect can happen in the cold. She emphasized that children can suffer from hypothermia in minutes and urged parents to take their children with them to avoid such dangers. Now let's return to our video to see what happened next.
Do what I have to do, and I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible and as kind as I can possibly do it, all right? As I'm trying to be as kind about this as possible, all right? Go ahead and put your purse down. Put your hands behind your back. You're going to be able to call him and talk to him once we get down to the station. All right, there's nothing in here that shouldn't be in here, correct? Okay, she's ready to get transported. I've got to wait for some appropriate car seats because I can't transport them in my squad this way. Please. Yeah, that would be way better. Please. CFS too, because I haven't notified them. Okay. Okay.
Ollie, I need to filter air traffic.
Info? I can get it too.
Ma'am. Can you open my phone? I don't know about mine.
Other than stuff, just keep an eye on them, would you?
Seeing the mother's cooperation, the officer allowed her to contact her husband to pick up the children.
Tell him we need to come to Target. I would have felt better if the car was on, but it wasn't.
Oh, it wasn't?
It was not on.
Oh, goodness. I probably was moving too fast, trying to get in and out. They're about to take me down to the station, so can you please come get the boys?
With arrangements made for the children's safety, the mother cooperated as officers prepared to transport her to the detention facility.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. You're going to go with this officer. She's going to transport you down. I'll let you down there, and I'll explain more to you as we go on here.
While in the patrol car, an officer ensured she was comfortable with her hands cuffed.
It's got to be like on the curve of your wrist. What's bothering you? Which one?
Both of them. They're tight behind my back.
Okay, step on out. How's that?
That one's better.
Okay.
Upon arrival at the station, the mother was taken into custody and processed for detention. The Joliet Police Department charged the mother with child endangerment, neglect, and reckless endangerment of her children. Were the charges against the mother appropriate? What are your thoughts on how the Joliet Police handled the situation? Share your opinions in the comments below. On September 20th, 2023, the Westfield Police Department responded to a report of an allegedly intoxicated woman near a school. Officers were dispatched to ensure the safety of the children and staff. Let's see how they handled the situation.
I'm listening.
I didn't do anything in front of your daughter.
Okay.
Right now, it appears that we're standing here having a conversation, right?
Yes.
I don't want your kids to see anything. You have to stay calm.
I am.
I'm doing everything I can to protect the kids.
Understood.
So just be patient with me.
I gotcha. I gotcha.
The nanny's coming?
That's what, yeah.
The father
Nanny?
said, or
The father
you spoke
said,
to the nanny?
No, the father said.
Okay. You overslept. You came here to pick up your daughter, and she walked all the way down here?
Yes.
Where's your daughter?
Sitting in the car. Okay. Even though we didn't do anything with them, let's get all their pedigree information for both kids. Mm-hmm. And we haven't had custody of them. but we should do them just in case.
Sensing the mother's concern for privacy, the officer assured her that all collected information would be handled properly according to the law.
He's so sad. Listen, she's not going to see anything here.
Okay, please.
If the nanny picks her up and they drive away, then we'll handle our business, okay?
Okay. Am I under arrest?
Not yet.
With the mother at ease, officers easily gathered more information about her daughter's living situation and nanny.
Somebody was getting frisky around the Valentine's Day. Not me either.
What's the nanny's name? You have her phone number?
Not by heart.
I mean, you have your phone, right?
Yeah, I know. I might have left it at home. I ran.
We can get it after the phone.
Okay.
Where does she live? In Westfield? Is it a live-in nanny or just
No.
when you need it?
She came here as an au pair, but she stayed.
Where's she from? What country?
Mexico. I'm not like in that.
No, I'm asking. I didn't recognize her.
The officer explained the process to the cooperative mother, assuring her that her daughter wouldn't witness the field sobriety test. He understood her concerns and aimed to protect her image.
What are we going to do now?
We're going to let the kids go with the nanny.
Mm-hmm.
Then you and I are going to do some field sobriety tests.
Okay.
And then we'll see where we stand from there.
Okay. She has a baby.
Come with me. You can follow me inside.
Thank you.
Come on in.
Feeling guilty, the mother expressed frustration over her actions and took responsibility. The officer reassured her they weren't questioning her parenting, but were there to enforce the law.
Try and hold that back until your daughter walks past, okay? You don't want her to get
No,
upset.
of course. She experienced this as a child, and not from me, from being adopted.
Mm-hmm. I understand. I will always protect the kids.
Right.
Sensing the mother's growing anxiety, the officer explained the protocol for involving juveniles to ease her concerns.
Why are there more officers here?
It's a supervisor. Just because there's juveniles involved.
Okay.
And I'm trying to make sure the kids get to go before we handle our business. Right?
They're going to go home, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
That's why she's picking them up. If I was taking them, I would have the juvenile bureau come.
Cool.
And take custody.
Okay.
So, I'm sure your daughter's going to probably want to give you a hug.
Of course.
Oh, baby, I'll see you in a little while. You will.
That long?
Well, I mean, I don't know how long it's going to take.
I'm not going to have to do this out here. I'm just going to blow, right?
We're going to do some field sobriety tests.
But not here.
By your car.
Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Once the nanny arrived, officers quickly processed the juvenile release form. They also allowed the mother time to say goodbye to her daughter.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Munch. Hi, Munch. Give me huggies. Love you. Take these here. You're gonna go and see. Yeah. Go have a good time. Okay. And Izzy's on the car. Okay. Love you.
I got her info. He's got all the kids' info.
After seeing her daughter leave, she expressed concern about the number of arriving officers. The officer reassured her it was just standard procedure.
Why is there another police officer here? This is like...
It's shift change. No, it's not for that reason. It's shift change. Somebody's going to get relieved.
She's home safe. Like, why are we doing it? Okay.
They discussed the field sobriety test process she had to undergo. The officer's calm explanation put her at ease.
You're not going to handcuff me or anything like that right here, are you?
No, we have to do the tests. Okay. And how the tests go will determine whether or not I have to put handcuffs on you, okay?
Okay.
When we take custody of a child, a juvenile, period, I'm just going to do a juvenile release form to say who's taking the children. It's her name and the kid's name.
Okay.
There's nothing to that. It's just
No, I mean,
say that
I'm
we were
above
thorough.
board.
Mm-hmm.
I'm above board.
Seeing the number of cops near her car, she became anxious about the field sobriety test. The officer reassured her that he would guide her through it.
Let's walk over to the side parking lot, okay? Yeah, I don't know why he's staying. I don't know why he's here. Come over here, you're gonna have a seat right on my bumper, okay? Yep, right here. Watch your step. Just have a seat right there, okay?
That's my daughter's teacher.
I'm fine, nothing happens. I'll wait till she moves. Have a seat right there, okay? I know. He's gotta go. He's not comfortable with this many cops here. Come here. Look at me.
It's nuts.
I understand.
Her mother is the teacher.
No. He's on it.
It's my daughter's teacher.
Okay, we're not doing nothing.
And her mother is the teacher in the middle school, in the elementary school.
The only way they'll know anything is if you tell them.
Abby, but talk is very cheap.
Alright, do me a favor, take your purse off your neck.
Yep.
I'll take it.
The officer began the field sobriety test, giving careful instructions and emphasizing cooperation. He demonstrated patience to ease the mother's anxiety.
Okay.
Make this as gentle as possible.
Yes, understood.
Okay. You're going to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes. You're not going to move your head, okay?
Oh, I'm not supposed to move my head. I'm sorry.
Okay. Step up here with me. Chris. The leg of your choice. No, you're gonna do it just like this. Look.
Oh.
You're gonna put it down
Oh,
in front of you.
like that.
Yep. And you're gonna hold it there for approximately 30 seconds.
Oh.
Take your left foot, place it in
Okay.
front of your right foot, and stand just like this. I'm gonna demonstrate it. Don't do anything till I tell you, okay?
Okay. You have to understand, like,
I do understand.
I'm not. You've done this. Yeah, all right. Whatever. You don't need to hear my.
No. Listen. I'm not rushing you.
Okay.
We're taking our time.
His calm voice and patience encouraged the mother to finish the test despite her apprehensions.
You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps forward, a series of small steps, and 9 heel-to-toe steps coming back. I'll demonstrate.
Like, tested. I am being tested. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Since she didn't pass the sobriety test, the police took her into custody and she was taken to the station for further tests.
You have to go inside and you're going to have to blow on the machine, okay? To do that, I have to place you under arrest. You're going to go in the back of my car with me, okay? Step over here to the side of my car. Leave your purse, I'll take care of it.
Wait a minute.
Yes?
I can refuse.
You can't refuse this part. You can refuse to blow on the box if you choose to. When we get inside, I'm going to read you some paperwork that we have to go through, and it tells you what.
Am I under arrest?
You're about to be, yes. Okay, stay right there. Wait, come here. You have anything in your pockets? Those are not pockets.
No, they are. I have
okay.
no back pockets.
I just have to do it for the camera, okay? Turn around for me.
I'm not blowing until I get to the station.
Agreed.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay,
100%. Stay right there. Listen, this process stays the same. I'm still going to be the same, treat you the same way. We're going to do everything we've been doing the same way, okay?
The suspect's breathalyzer test showed a BAC of 0.17, which is above the legal limit. The Westfield police charged her with DUI under New Jersey law. Should the mother have stayed home and sent someone else to pick up her daughter? What do you think about the officer's handling of the case? Share your thoughts in the comments below. On May 20th, 2024, the Flagler Sheriff's Office received an emergency call about a child locked inside a car at a Walmart. Deputies and the Palm Coast Fire Department were immediately dispatched to the scene. Watch as these responders take swift action to ensure the child's safety and remind the parent of their responsibility.
Whose car is it?
It's mine.
All right. It's not on?
No.
All right. G14 Our vehicle is not running. They locked the keys in the car. How far that was FD? I'm about to smash the window here in a second if FD's not close. How long has she been in there?
About 10 minutes.
Alright, I'm gonna smash the window then. I have to because she's been stuck in there. I don't know how far FD's out. She's been in there for 10 minutes.
You don't have a.
No, I don't have that.
Without wasting time, the deputy used shatterballs to break the window and rescue the child.
G14 We're gonna have to shatter the window. You told me before? You told me before?
What is that?
Alright.
You're okay with us breaking out the window?
Yeah, maybe the back.
The child was rescued and assessed by medics. Sheriff Rick Starley reminded parents that, although this was an accident, I would like to take this time to remind parents of the dangers of leaving a child in a parked car at any time, especially if it is not running. So, be a responsible parent and do not leave children inside your vehicle unattended. And for more BodyCamBust videos, stay right here to keep on watching.